Welcome to Rome Tips. If you find this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more. All the links mentioned in this review are down in the description below. This overview reflects my personal experience with the service. Today, we're taking a look at PayPal Working Capital, a financing option specifically designed for small businesses. Located at paypal.com/us/SMB/working-capital, this program offers a straightforward way to access funds to help manage and grow your business. Instead of dealing with complex loan applications and lengthy approval processes, PayPal Working Capital streamlines the borrowing experience. One of the most attractive features is the automatic repayment system. A predetermined percentage of your daily PayPal sales is deducted to repay the advance, so you don't have to worry about manual payments or remembering due dates. This flexibility allows you to repay faster when sales are strong and provides a bit of breathing room during slower periods. Eligibility is based on your PayPal sales history, making it accessible for businesses already